This is PAN type of digital weighing scale for weighing of infant who cannot stand. You have to keep a baby over clean surface and put in the central, and scaling of weighing scale should be done. Put the baby. Okay, take the baby.
Digital electronic weighing scale with minimum graduation of 100 gram.
The instrument used for measuring the length is Harpenden infantometer, which has a fixed head end and movable foot end with a firm board in between. The head of the baby is held firmly in contact with the fixed headboard. The legs are kept straight with firm gentle pressure on the knees, feet perpendicular to the leg and toes pointing upward. The mobile footboard is brought in firm contact with both heels, and the length can be measured on the fixed scale between the headboard and the footboard of the infantometer. For children older than 2 years of age, standing height should be measured in an upright position after removing footwears and socks with heels separated slightly. The heels, buttock and back should be in a line and touching the surface against which the child is standing. Both the arms should be relaxed and hanging by the side, and child should be looking straight with the head in the Frankfurt plane. The headboard of the stadiometer is then moved to compress the hair of the vertex. The corresponding value is then noted on the stadiometer to record the height of the individual. Head circumference is recorded by a non-stretchable measuring tape to record the maximum circumference of the head between the occipital protuberance posteriorly and supraorbital ridges and the grebella in the front. Mid upper arm circumference is measured using a non-stretchable tape and a crossover method. It's measured midway between the acromion process of scapula and the olecranon process of the ulna in the left arm of the child, while the arm is hanging freely by his other side. The tape must be encircled around the midpoint of the perpendicular axis of the mid upper arm, and measurement is noted.